The Reserve Bank of India has cancelled the banking license of Paytm Payments Bank, effectively ending its ability to operate as a bank from April 24th. The regulator said the decision followed serious concerns over compliance and management, noting that the bank's functioning was not in the interest of depositors or the public. It also confirmed that it will move the High Court to initiate winding up proceedings. This marks the culmination of a series of restrictions imposed on the bank over the past few years. It was barred from adding new customers in March 2022, and by March 2024, it was no longer allowed to accept deposits, process credit transactions, or allow wallet top-ups. With the latest action, the bank can no longer carry out any banking business. Its operations are now limited to allowing customers to withdraw their existing funds and offering limited services such as loan referrals. The RBI, however, indicated that the bank has sufficient funds to repay its depositors in full during the wind-up process. The action follows years of regulatory scrutiny over compliance lapses, including KYC-related issues and concerns around financial practices.